Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video on my channel. Today we are going to be trying to solve a problem that I've been having with my Jeep pretty much since we got it. It's not really a big issue, but the washer fluid, whenever I pour some in, it kind of just leaks out the bottom after a few days. So today we're going to kind of just troubleshoot that. I'm going to use water so we're not wasting washer fluid, and see if we can figure out what exactly is going on, if we need to replace something or if something's just loose, because it's getting to that time of year where I might be needing it to wash the windshield more. So let's just jump right in. Okay guys, so first things first, I came out of the car before I pour any water in to just take a look and see if I can get any idea where it is leaking from. And if you look, it looks like it's leaking from right in here. It's kind of discolored around the connection. So I'm gonna go back up and pour some water in and see if that's actually the case. And I might actually have to use like the windshield wipers to get it to start leaking. But yeah, let's see if that's where it actually is coming from. Update for you guys. So we poured the water in and I kind of showed you guys where I think it's coming from, and I poured the water in and I've been watching it and I think it is coming from there. So I have Michael out here now. He's gonna actually use the windshield washer fluid, and so I can see if what I think is the problem is actually the problem. So Michael's gonna run the windshield washer and use the fluid and see where it comes from. Exactly where I thought. All right, cool. You can do it one more time. Yep, okay. Alright, so I couldn't show you guys this part just because it's a very, very tight little space in here. But basically we unplugged the motor, and you can see this little clip dangling up here. There's a piece that clips into here that we had to use a flathead to undo, and then this just pops into there, so we pulled it out. And it's this part right here that's leaking, so I'm probably gonna try and figure out how to disconnect that, and we might just need a new motor depending on what is wrong, if the seal's broken. We figured out, I don't think I can show you, there's little cracks in the seals here, around here, and this piece is sold new with the motor. So I think what needs to happen is I just need to unplug these two hoses and get a new pump for it.
Weeks later.
It's been about a week from the last time that I left off. I don't remember exactly what I said last, what happened last, but it's been about a little over a week because I did end up having to order a new pump for the washer fluid, and it finally came in the mail. I ended up ordering one off of Amazon because it was much less expensive than going to O'Reilly. This was like $13–14 on Amazon. So yeah, let's just get right into it. As you can see, we just kind of left things, there's where it plugs into. We just kind of left things dangling. This plugs into it. So we're gonna go ahead and just plug these things right in. I got it all installed. So basically I had to unplug these two wires from this piece that was still on there from before. And I just clipped in that piece up there, and then it just pushes back in to the tank. So now I'm gonna start with some water in the tank and run the windshield wipers and use the fluid and just make sure that it's not leaking anymore before I actually pour washer fluid in the tank. So let's go do that. Okay guys, so got it to work with the water, so I'm gonna go ahead and pour in this windshield washer fluid. Alright guys, so I ran the windshield washers with the fluid front and back. Everything seems to be working and there's no leaks. So I think we're good to go, but sorry we couldn't really show you a lot of the process. It's kind of a tight spot to get into unless you want to take the whole bumper off, and I really didn't want to go through that. But it's really simple, just plug and play once you get your part. So yeah, that's how you change your windshield washer fluid pump on a 2006 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo.